Hey y'all, hey y'all. This is your girl Star Love Guidance. It's a little dark in here, but we just gonna keep it kind of this Friday a chill day. I know it's you know we supposed to have a lot of light, but we want to open up our dark side too. So I had ended up getting this Oracle, Instinct Magic Oracle. Um, I really think this is a nice book, and I really think that this really helps people to open their eye. They, you know what I'm saying? People that's doing evil eye and so forth. Shout outs to one of the tarot card readers that's on the platform for expanding this book to us, okay? You know who you are. You don't have to, you know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna say no names. We know who you are, okay? And thank you. You know what I'm saying? You help me a lot. You help a lot of people a lot. And I just want to congratulate you, okay? So we're going to see what's going on with my collectives, okay, y'all? This oracle, the oracle is asking you to connect with the color blue. See, I felt this. I felt this, y'all. This is why I'm giving this vibe off right now. This blue energy. You hear me? Okay? I just felt like light. It was just too much light. All my videos is so light. Even though I use my lighter side, I love that. But I wanted to use my darker side, okay, you guys? The magical correspondence of the color blue is to bring calm healing. You are being guided towards deep healing and inner peace. If life has been hectic lately, tune into the relaxation vibration of the color blue to help chill you out. The oracle wants to let you know that forgiveness sets your heart free. Remember that forgiveness can be personal. You don't have to make contact with who may have upset you. Close your eyes and imagine a blue light surrounding you. Repeat, I have control over how I feel, and I choose to feel at peace. So, this is what you need to say, you guys. I have control over how I feel, and I choose to feel at peace. Okay, you guys, this is so beautiful. I'm gonna get one more for you guys. I just feel like that was for me. Everything is constantly evolving, so time is coming for you guys. Everything is working in time, evolving, constantly evolving. Everything. I mean, it could go family. It could be. It could be. It could be family, friends. It could be money. It could be your job. It could just be anything, everything, everything. Your love life. Okay, you guys? So let's pick up on that. Everything is evolving. What is everything evolving, Spirit? What is going on, Spirit? What's evolving? What's evolving right now? Appreciation. So they appreciate you. Great. Everything is grateful right now. Everything gonna be grateful for you guys. Everything is evolving. Divine timing, y'all. What is this? So things are being eviction. So things are being all the bad things are being released and all the good things are coming in. You get what I mean? Okay? Because you got good karma coming. Oh yeah, this could be anything that was bad, karma is being released, okay? And humor is using your lighter side, but we're not using our lighter side, we're using our darker side right now, okay? Because somebody is being sneaky, okay? And they're basic. Yeah, they spying, so we have to use our darker side right now. What's going on? I know you releasing it. I know you guys are releasing it. Yeah, this is keep popping out right here. These two cards. So somebody is being sneaky, but they're basic as fuck. Okay? And they're bitter. And things are being guided. Because they what? Angry, baby. They angry about your spirituality. So you maybe could have opened up to your spirituality and they didn't think that you would catch on. So this person could have been using their spirituality as well, but they didn't think that you would ever catch on to knowing that they do this. This is what I'm picking up, okay? Thank you. Yeah, distance. So this person can really be at a distance, but he could be throwing this magic from a distance. Okay, thank you. Yes. Yes. Okay, you guys. It's an ending and it's power, character, partnership, animals. So you may be standing back in your power because it was challenging these animals that was attacking you, that you didn't know that they was using their powers. They are getting these challenges as well, but it's been challenging for you guys because you didn't know that this partnership, that this person that you was in a relationship, friend, family, whoever, they was doing magic. Okay? And that's the truth. I can't make it an investigation. This is what you've been wanting to know. This is what you've been wanting to know. Why is my happiness something that they thought they was sharp about? Something with your happiness they thought you would never catch on. I swear, you guys, they thought you would never catch on. Even my screen got even darker. Okay. Let's see who this person could be real quick. Who's this person's spirit? Show your face, Nikki. See, that's what I'm telling you. They did not want you to know the power that they was using against you here. A wealthy man. So this person, not saying that they wealthy as money wise, but they could be wealthy in their gifts. They could be wealthy when it comes to gifts and stuff like that. Yes. Okay. Yeah, he likes to block people pathways, so it could be a dark entity kind of power. You know what I mean? Yeah. This main lover, this main friend, main lover, you guys. This is what he do. He do this to this privileged people here. Because he thought he was mature with you, but it came out. Because you what? You so precious. You one of the God's chosen child, y'all. Thank you. Yeah, you getting this concern about this person. And that's all I have